Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. It has been a buzz with the newspapers as well as the news channels that three HR organizations, human rights organizations, relating to Belarus, Russia and Ukraine, they got the Nobel Prize, which is a coveted prize named after Alfred Nobel, who was from Sweden. Presently, some Renaissance, she is Berit Rees Anderson. She is the present president. So Nobel Committee president, or she is the head of the Norwegian Nobel Committee. So three institutions on which one person is there. So they got the Nobel Prize for Human Rights. So therefore, see what an important point is human rights. That's why whenever you deal with the human rights topic, or the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, or the international covenants like ICCPR, ICSCR, SEDA, ILO, WHO, UNO, UNESCO, and all these things. Please remember, HR rights, they are there for protecting the abuses from the violation of the human rights. Of course, we cannot forget the services of National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights also, they are all there. But here, I already told you, the role of NGOs in the furtherance of the so-called human rights violations, abuses. Yes, definitely. NGOs. Who are NGOs? NGOs are the individuals, group of individuals who, without the interference of the government, they will take up certain issue for the welfare of the people or for protecting the human rights, the people. So that is the purpose of NGO. So definitely, as already told you, you have to actually encourage the activities of NGOs, particularly in the fields of human rights. Now, let us come to the point. Triumphant trio. There are three. Number one is from Belarus. So, Bialiatski. So, very difficult to pronounce his name. LS is ALES, Bialiatski. 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 You can see the news item, you can understand. He is from Belarus, he is aged about 60 years, and he has started an organization, human rights organization called as VSNA, where he has highlighted the activities of the president of Belarus, Lushenko. Therefore, he was put in jail. I think still he is in languishing jail. But the fight for the human rights made him get the coveted Nobel Prize. So, he is currently held in prison without trial. Second is the organization called as the Memorial. The Memorial is in Russia. It is founded here in the year 1987, I believe. 1987, yes. What it does do, please remember, it compiles information. It compiles or gathers information on human rights abuses and tracks the fate of the political prisoners in Russia. So as regard the political prisoners of war, what law is there? You all know it is international humanitarian law or Geneva Convention 1949, 1959. So please remember, they have to be treated with dignity. So here you have to remember the case of Abhinandan Harshavardhan, who actually followed or who tracked the so-called Pakistani bombers and he landed there. Ultimately, after 3 or 4 days, with the efforts of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come back. It's a different issue. But these are called prisoners of war. They are being ill-treated. Right. Now, third organization, it is called Center for Civil Liberties. Center for Civil Liberties. This is located in Ukraine. So, this memorial organization is located in Russia. Whereas this Center for Civil Liberties, it is located in Ukraine. It was founded in the year 2007. This Ukraine-based organization has identified and documented Russian war crimes against the Ukrainian civil servants or civilian population since the invasion of Russia on Ukraine from February. Of course, you all know that the world very recently Mr. Putin has annexed 4 parts of the Ukraine Of course, the war is not there, but anyway, Ukraine is a failure. But whatever it is here, the important point to note is the human right abuses due to the war crimes. So these three organizations, they got the Nobel Prize, they will distribute among them. But incidentally, number one, this what is the name? LS Bialiatski is from Belarus. Second one, Memorial, it is from Russia. And third one, Center for Civil Liberties, it is from Ukraine. So main focus or main thrust is on Putin only. But whatever it is, therefore, this Anderson, she clearly stated that we are not against Russia. And this is not a birthday gift because Putin has recently celebrated 70 years of his age, that is 70th birthday. This is not birthday gift. So definitely we all with one voice condemn the authoritarian attitude of Vladimir Putin. So it is an authoritarian and it is a regime. The regime of Putin is nothing but human rights, suppression of the human rights advocates. This is the main job he is doing. And Anderson finally concludes stating that these three organizations, they have made outstanding effort to document the war crimes, number one, the HR abuses and also the abuse of power by the so-called mighty echelons of the world. Just like Russia, America, they think they are the mighty echelons. Nobody can beat them. Whatever it is, we are very happy that these people got the due respect and recognition. Nobel Prize, it carries much cash prizes also, or at least let us hope, since Mr. LS Bialiatski has been given awarded the Nobel Prize, at least let Lushenko consider it and release him from jail, or he may be tortured. Yes. Okay, whatever we do, whatever it is, we can't help. So things have to follow their own way. Very good. So please remember, such human rights activists, definitely they will be remembered forever. Right? Thank you.